Hello and welcome to my channel. This is going to be an update to the video I just put out, how to set up a saved layout on ISWA. I left out a major step in configuring your layout. So, of course, you add your signets. We'll add in the magnetopause and magnetosphere and the solar wind. So, you position them how you want. Now, the step I left out is you also have to configure these how you want. So when you first click on them, it just gives you the most recent frame. So you want video, you got to click on the video icon on each. And you'll also want to configure anything else. I'm not going to mess with date and time because I want it up to date. I will change it from 10 frames to 100 frames. Click apply on each because it gives me a longer video time. Instead of 2 hours, it gives me 6 hours. Okay, so we've done that for all three. They're in the positions that I want them in. So you go to Save Layout, click on the link, which I'm going to do over here with my link. So this is how I have it saved. Everything is up to date. All the videos are running that have the option. My layout is set to 100 frames. And there you go. So you've clicked on your link, do your bookmark part, save it however you want. I just throw it up here on the bar and you can change how it's labeled, stuff like that. But there you go. That's the part I forgot to mention in the other video that's important. Okay, laters.